Easily add text behind the person in the video, just like your favorite creators do. It adds a nice engaging touch, and in a couple of simple steps, you can do it too. Hey everyone, my name is Tim and I'm gonna show you how you can easily make this happen with VEED Simple Online Video Editor. You can find a link to the website down in the description, so let's begin. First, when you're in VEED, you can instantly start a new project. You can simply upload the footage you would like to add text to into the editor. Once you've done that, just give it a second to load. So I would like to have the text behind my cutout just like this. And to make this work, we need to somehow separate the cutout from the background so we can place the text in between those layers. We're gonna do it step by step. So first, duplicate the footage in the timeline and sync them up by placing them over each other. Then mute the sound from the copied clip so the audio won't amplify. Next, you select the top layer in the timeline, head over to Magic Tools and click on the option that says Remove Background. This will leave you with a transparent cutout of the person in the video. So now we have two versions of the same clip, one serves as the background and the other one as the cutout. And it's important because now it allows us to put text in between those layers, so it looks like the text is behind you. So for the next step, let's create a text layer by heading over to text in the sidebar menu. You simply choose one of the presets and customize your text in any way you like. You can easily change the font, the sizing, the colors and effects, and even add a very nice one-click animation if you would like to make it more dynamic. From there, place the text behind the cutout by dragging the text layer down in the timeline or by using the right-click menu in the video canvas. Now, when you play back the video, you're gonna see the text nicely sitting behind the person in the video. Of course, you can continue making adjustments to the style, position and time length in any way that suits your video. Now, besides text, another really cool thing to add behind your cutout are engaging visuals. Level up your video with icons, animated stickers and audio visualizers, which you can all find in the Elements tab. Or head over to the video stock library and find high quality green screen footage you can place behind your cutout. Simply use the helpful green screen remover and in a few clicks you can captivate your viewers with fireworks, animated lights and other dynamic visuals. So definitely something to consider, but for now, thank you so much for watching and good luck.